What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll install a new ceiling light fixture. The process is simple. So here we are, in my closet, with all of my cool clothes, and here is the ceiling light fixture that is going to be replaced. First, turn off the breaker that supplies power to the light. Now, I will quickly remove the light fixture. I'm left with a ceiling box with two mounting holes, and these three wires, the neutral, hot, and ground. Now let's unbox the new light fixture. Your fixture will not be exactly the same, but the concept will be similar. There will be a cover over the light bulbs, the light bulb sockets attached to the plate, and there's wires on the back side of the plate, and a bracket to mount the light fixture to the ceiling box. Back at the ceiling box, mount the bracket with the two mounting holes. Here are the two mounting screws that came with the light fixture. Get the screws started in the holes, then center the bracket, and tighten down the screws. Now it's time to wire it up. This light fixture has two light bulb sockets, so there are two sets of wires on the back. But there is only one ground wire because they share a ground. It goes through the plate to this socket, but it's grounded through this bracket, through the base plate, through this bracket, to the second socket. Both sockets are grounded. Now let's wire it up. This bracket has a ground terminal, so ground the fixture to the bracket using the green screw. Then use the wire nuts that came with the light fixture to connect the hot wires, the neutral wires, and the ground wires. Last, we just need to attach the fixture to the mounting bracket. Tuck the wires up into the box. Then, line up the fixture with the mounting bracket, and install the nuts to hold it in place. Install the light bulbs, the light bulb cover, and you are all set. Turn the breaker back on to supply power to the light, and enjoy your new light. Wow! As always, thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.